Welcome to the ABI Snapshot, where we spotlight critical findings and the latest research from our global team of analysts. In this snapshot, we're speaking with ABI Research Industry Analyst Jonathan Budd. Jonathan will answer key questions about his latest report on 5G RedCap for IoT. Welcome, Jonathan.
Hello, Deborah. Thanks for having me.
What is reduced capacity RedCap, and what role does it play in the 5G landscape?
5G RedCap is a simplified version of 5G with the aim of making it more affordable and less demanding for devices that do not require and/or cannot support the full power of 5G. It is designed specifically to replace the LTE categories commonly used in mid-range IoT devices.
What are the performance capabilities of 5G RedCap compared to LTE?
5G RedCap provides LTE Cat4 comparable performance into the 5G era, while enhanced RedCap, eRedCap, offers throughput performance equivalent to LTE Cat1 and LTE Cat1 Biz.
Which industries are expected to adopt 5G RedCap first?
As an effective replacement for LTE Cat4, some of the most relevant IoT applications are video surveillance and security, remote monitoring, and fixed wireless terminals. These are expected to be the earliest adopters of 5G RedCap.
What are the forecasted shipment numbers for RedCap modules in the IoT market?
ABI Research forecasts approximately 80 million RedCap module shipments between 2024 and 2029, with remote monitoring, video surveillance, and fixed wireless terminals accounting for 58% of the IoT RedCap market.
What are the advantages of 5G RedCap?
5G RedCap is primarily a replacement technology, offering an affordable migration pathway from LTE. It should help manufacturers future-proof their devices amid uncertainties about 4G network longevity.
Which regions are expected to lead in RedCap deployments in 2029?
China and North America are projected to dominate RedCap shipments, accounting for approximately 80% of the market by 2029. This will be driven by accelerated 5G standalone rollouts and the anticipated phasing out of LTE networks.
What are the broader applications of 5G RedCap beyond the IoT sector?
Aside from IoT, 5G RedCap is also gaining traction in mobile broadband and fixed wireless access applications, which indicates its versatility and potential across various connectivity needs.
Thanks so much, Jonathan. For a deeper dive into our full AN6235 application analysis report, 5G RedCap for IoT, visit abiresearch.com.